Have you recently gotten an email titled Aldana versus GameStop, Notice of Proposed Class Action Settlement, and wondered if it's some kind of scam? You're not alone, and here's the truth. It's real. This is tied to an actual lawsuit against GameStop, and yes, you could be owed a small payout if you're eligible. The case claims that GameStop shared customer data with Facebook through something called Meta Pixel, which tracks what you do on a website. Basically, if you bought a video game from GameStop's website between August 18, 2020 and April 17, 2025, and you had a public Facebook profile at the time, your info may have been sent to Facebook without you knowing. That's a potential violation of the Video Privacy Protection Act. Now, you're not in any legal trouble. This is a class action suit on your behalf. In fact, you might be entitled to either $5 in cash or a $10 GameStop voucher if you're part of the class. GameStop hasn't admitted to doing anything wrong, but they've agreed to settle the case for $4.5 million to avoid dragging it out in court. So how do you claim your money? You'll need that email they sent you because it includes a unique ID number proving you're eligible. You'll also need to confirm your Facebook account. Usually a screenshot or profile link will work. The whole thing is set up to make sure only real affected users can file a claim. Some people online have been laughing at the payout, saying it's barely worth the time or that the lawyers are the only ones getting paid. And yeah, $5 or $10 isn't a huge deal, but for many people it's more about holding big companies accountable. If they use our data, they should be transparent about it. There have been a few hiccups with the claim site. Some users say it's buggy or confusing, but it's still accessible. If you're unsure about clicking links in the email, and it's smart to be cautious, you can search GameStop VPPA settlement on Google and find the official website directly. One more thing to keep in mind. If you don't opt out of this settlement, you're waiving your right to sue GameStop over this issue again. That's pretty standard with these types of cases. The deadline to file your claim is August 15, 2025, and if all goes smoothly, payments will go out a little over a month after the final court approval in September. So, yeah, it's not a life-changing amount of money, but it's real, and if you qualify, it's probably worth taking a minute to submit your claim. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to double-check that email before it gets buried in your inbox.